Hey guys, in this video I will show you best TradingView indicator strategy and most accurate strategy special for you. And if you not to join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you not join best binary option broker and best forex broker, link in my description box. Simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next strategy and next script and next MT5 and MT4 indicator, okay? So let's get started. Okay, first of all you can choose your currency, and then currency time frame is 15 minutes. Okay friends, please set the time frame 15 minutes. Okay, then indicator tabs, type pivot point super trend. Okay, this indicator, click this indicator. As you can see, very good indicator. Is a simple indicator strategy when you can see the indicator signal by buy, and you can trade on. As you can see, here is a short position. When indicator start sell signal, you can trade this here, and you can stop loss is here. Okay, it's a very good indicator. Okay, very good indicator. As you can see, is a good profit. You can trade is here, and you can group good profit. Okay, but more confirmation for I have more indicator. His called name is SG Central Private Trends. Okay, okay, sorry. As you can see, SD. Okay, SD Central Private Trends. Okay, here is indicator for more confirmation. Okay, this is the indicator, is a automatic buy sell signal. Okay, you can settings, here is settings. Okay, style is here, and here is a 100. Okay, and as you can see, more sell signal. When you can see the indicator pivot point super trend indicator signal by sell, you cannot trade here. When the market, the support level break this level, okay, and you can trade is sell here. Okay, more confirmation. Okay, when pivot point super trend indicator signal by sell, you cannot trade here. Okay, you cannot position here. Okay, good position here, good position is here. Okay, when this support level has break this level. Okay, break this level, and you can trade is here, and you can win this trade. Okay, and as you can see, when pivot point super trend is signal by buy, and you cannot trade is here. When market break this level here, and you can trade is here. Okay, is a very good confirmation. Okay, not trading on before confirmation. Okay, and is here. As you can see, here is a PowerPoint super trend indicator has been signaled by buy, and as you can see, market break this resistance level and market going up. Okay, very good signal. Okay, is a very good strategy. You can use this strategy on your demo account before you can trade on your real account. Okay, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for next strategy and next video. Okay.